In this video, I'm going to be showing you a Wix SMS marketing tutorial. So how to send SMS on Wix. So please watch the video until the end and follow this tutorial step by step to avoid making mistakes. So let's get started. So the first thing that you want to do is head over to your Wix website. So log into your account and select the site where you want to send your SMS or to manage your SMS marketing. And as you can see from here on your dashboard, you'll see a bunch of different settings right here in the left hand side. So the first thing that you want to do is to head over to your settings section. And from here, you'll see a bunch of different settings, such as settings for finance and payments, for business solutions, site, domain, and SEO. But what we want to do is scroll down to the communications and notifications section. Now, from here, you want to select communication channels. And as you can see, we have Wix inbox channels right here, such as the Wix AI site chat, the Wix chat, Instagram business, WhatsApp business, and Facebook page. But when you scroll down, you'll see this additional channels right here, which is called the Wix SMS. So basically, this is the default way to use your Wix SMS marketing or to send SMS on Wix. So just click here and manage SMS. And as you can see right here, you'll need to upgrade your plan to send SMS updates. So while we can't do this, as I said, this is the default way to do this. So if you want to use this, you'll need to be upgrading your plan. But of course, if you have a free plan, we can still send SMS updates on Wix. So to do that, what we want to do is head over here to the left hand side and click here on apps. Now you can see the app market pop up right here. So simply click on it. And now we will be redirected to the app market or basically the app store for Wix. Now we want to search for SMS marketing. Let's click here. And as you can see, we have a bunch of different apps to choose from. So let's say we have the Rabbit SEO traffic booster, Popped-in Smart pop-ups and forms. We have the WhatsApp marketing, Easy SEO backlinks booster. So as you can see here, SMS Blast. So this is not a free app, so you'll need to find the most compatible app for you. So let's say we want to select this Rabbit SEO traffic booster. And now, as you can see, a free plan is available. So as you can see, these are all of the features of this app. So click on Add to Site, click on Agree and Add. Now we will be redirected back to the installer. So now it's adding the app to our website. And as you can see, this is how the app will look like. So this is how it will look like. But to boost and send SMS, again, it will need some upgrades to the app. So just find an app in the app market that is free if you don't want to upgrade. So you just can use some apps right here to send SMS. But again, the default one is using the default way, which is the Wix SMS right here in the communication channels. So that's basically it for this video. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.